Okay, so you got your big, beautiful television. Here's the unknown truth on big TVs. The speakers are on the bottom of this TV. They're throwing sound straight south. So that's why it always sounds like someone's sitting on the speaker. Unless you put one of these in. This is a sound bar. Now, there's a ton of manufacturers of these. They're all great because they're gonna throw sound out toward you. Now, when they sell these, there's mounts on the back where you would have to drill additional holes in your wall to mount it to the wall below the television. Unless you have this bracket from SANUS, which will let you mount it directly to the back of the television and to the mount you're already using. Cool thing about this is when we move the TV, the sound goes with it. Now, easy to put in if you have a friend. Natalie.
I'm coming
You're
in.
back. Okay, so
Okay.
same process before. We're gonna put this mount on the back of the television. Like so, with a slightly different take. Now, since this is gonna hang right about here, we're gonna use these brackets and attach them underneath this mount.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll get this out of Dodge for now. And we're gonna go just like this. Pick it up and slide that guy under there. Beautiful, look at you. This is why, not only do you have a friend, have a well-versed and skilled friend who knows what's up. Same thing here. Oh no, that's your side.
Right. Oh, this is my side? Okay, well, I can do that. All right, let's see. I mean, I think I can do it, but.
No, you're like a little train.
That could?
Yeah, you can.
Now, see down here, since we spaced this away from the TV a little bit, there's now a little gap. We're gonna use this spacer
For the top.
for the top. So we just lift it up, slide that guy underneath, and there we go. And we're good.
Same thing this side. I think I can.
I know you can. So we'll tighten this down again.
I'll get this one going.
So this is just as though you're mounting this bracket to the television all by itself, but now we've added these guys.
Okay.
So I'll tighten this one down here. We won't get super tight with that yet because these can move a little bit. And that's gonna allow us to get the soundbar really close to the bottom of the TV without touching it. We can just dial it in.
And